How to connect Binance to Tapswap. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Binance to Tapswap. So the first step is to open your Tapswap application or your Tapswap account. So this is my Tapswap account, okay? So you just can't come to task over there and then come to Binance registration there. So when you come to Binance registration, what you'll do is simple. You tap on start mission over there. When you tap on start mission, you just come over here and then submit your Binance ID. So how to get your Binance ID? Head over to your Binance application and then this is your Binance at the home page. Tap on this icon in the left upper corner. When you tap on that icon, your ID is over here. So how to copy it? Tap on the ID itself and you copy it, or just tap on your account there, then copy your ID there. So now after copying your ID, head back to your Tapswap account. So this is my Tapswap account over here, and then paste your ID there and then submit. So after submitting, you're literally connected your Binance to Tapswap. All right. So right now I'm going to show you how to access Tapswap for those who are new to Tapswap. So to access Tapswap, you can access it from this Telegram bot. It's called Tapswap over here. And then when you open this bot, just click on start and then you'll be opening your Tapswap account. All right. So I want to be leaving a link to this Telegram bot in the video description over there. All right. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.